Being a content creator in 2025 isn't just about ideas. It's about speed, quality, and consistency. With the right AI tools, you can edit faster, design better, and keep your audience engaged. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools every content creator should be using right now. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Insight for weekly deep dives into AI, tech, and the future of work. Tool 1, Descript. Descript lets you edit video and audio just by editing text. Cut mistakes, add captions, and create podcasts all faster than traditional editing. Tool 2, we have Canva AI. Canva AI can design thumbnails, social posts, and video graphics in seconds. Perfect for creators who don't have time for Photoshop. Tool 3 is Runway. Runway uses AI to generate and edit video. From removing backgrounds to creating new clips from text prompts, it's a game changer for video production. Tool 4 is Copy.ai. Copy.ai helps you write scripts, captions, and descriptions that grab attention. Great for creators who need content ideas fast. Last but not least, Tool 5, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. If you don't want to use your own voice or need multiple voice styles, this tool gives you studio-quality narration. With these tools, you can save hours and take your content to the next level. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Insight for more insights into AI and the future of content creation.